Bowling Green County in eastern Arkansas, Clay County in eastern Arkansas, Pembroke County, Missouri, Junction County, Missouri, Western Lake County in western Tennessee, until 12:45 a.m. At 12:05 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Cuban to near Corning to near Biggers, moving at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour in gusts and nickel-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations of hazards include Kennett, Robbinsville, Malden, Higgett, Corning, Holdersville, Haytime, Campbell, Rector, Sonoma, Marmaduke, Chalk Bluff Natural Area, Holcomb, Haytime Heights, Leaf, Wardle, Noble, St. Francis, Pollard, and Green Lake. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:45 a.m. for the following county: Junction, Missouri. A strong